Good morning, everyone. We are Yelisabetta, Diana, and Omar, and we are going to present our final project for e-commerce with the company Samsung. First of all, we will talk about the business overview. Then we will go with the USP and the total available market. In third place, we will talk about the value chain of activities and how we will deliver the USP. Then we will talk about the virtual communities. In the fifth place, we will talk about the digital marketing plan. And finally, we will go with the diagram. To start introducing Samsung, it is one of the largest companies producing electronic devices that was founded in 1938, and they produce a wide variety of products like, for example, mobile phones, LCD and LED panels, semiconductors, televisions, printers, speakers, cameras, and out of them, but their main production are the mobile phones. Its vision and philosophy is based on performing responsibly as a top international company, assuring an ethical management while developing the best products and services to make customers be satisfied and contributing to society's progress. It is also valued as the eighth most valuable brand in 2020 by Forbes. And about the USP, it is about being a trustworthy company offering high quality and cutting edge technologies but for a reasonable price. After analyzing Samsung, we have identified that one of the main problems that this company have is the customer service area, and we think that some e-commerce strategies should be implemented in order to enhance the satisfaction of the customers. For example, we found that some of the reasons customers claim are not satisfied with this support system are the lack of international warranty when buying products, problems with the support staff, with the reparations, with the deliveries when buying from Samsung's website directly. Like, for example, sometimes they receive broken products. And well, one big-sized company like Samsung, that it's an international leader in its field, cannot afford the risk of offering poor customer service. So in order to solve these issues, we have come up with some ideas that may fix these complications. For example, creating a multi-channel support service. What Samsung could do to keep its customers engaged, it's creating support profiles on each social network for each area. This could be used to solve simple problems that do not require physical assistance or for responding any kind of question. Then they could implement a 24/7 live chat support service. We have noticed that the support service via telephone does not work the whole week, but only the workdays from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And people will suffer unexpected breakdowns with their phones and appliances during weekends and after the afternoon too. So this way, customers will know that they can rely on Samsung anytime they need. Then upgrading the chatbot support system. Because the chatbot system implemented in Samsung only gathers information about the customer in order to contact it later when the assistants are available. What we suggest is that the chatbot provides information about the customer's questions too. Also, they could send newsletter with discount and other information for engaging customers. They also should improve the shipping service, as they have received several critics from the customers that claim that shipping service is quite deficient due to the fact that tracking service for orders does not work properly. Finally, the personalization during the purchasing process. In order to transfer the leads, clients into prospects and sales, personalized attention should be implemented in the official Samsung store. As I have mentioned before, the unique selling proposition for Samsung is selling high technology products with a good quality and for affordable prices. Nowadays, in a world where people rely on technology more than we ever have, it is essential that companies address to the need of keeping people interconnected and creating new smart devices that simplify people's lives. And Samsung achieves that being present in the vast majority of the countries offering the best technology in the market. When it comes to the total available market, we can see that Samsung operates in 79 countries, and it also has a global smartphone market share of the 20% and a global revenue of more than $200 billion. Its main competitor is Huawei, and in the graphics displayed in the right, we can see that America is the most contributing region to Samsung with a 34%, followed by Europe and China with 18% each one. In the Czech Republic, we can see that Samsung is the current leader in the mobile vendor market, followed by Huawei and Apple. Its annual revenue in 2019 was more than $600,000 and it has a 26% of the market share.
So here you can see our value chain of activities, and let's start with support activities. They are technology development. By this we mean that we're using highly developed IT systems, and also we're using technology to improve our customer support. Then we have procurement, real-time connection with suppliers and inventories. Then there is firm infrastructure. Well, by this we mean accounting, finance, and quality management, because we are always controlling the quality of our products and looking for ways on how to improve it. Then there is HR management, because we're always doing training programs for our employees, and we have good and reasonable benefits and wages. Then there are primary activities, and first is inbound logistics. So it's warehouse, location for distribution facilities, and real-time inventory data, which is very important for us. Second is operations. Here we consider raw materials that are used to produce products, and also packaging, which is quite important. The third is outbound logistics, and here we have order and payment processes. The fourth is marketing and sales. Here we have advertisements, promotion strategies, market research, sales analysis, and pricing techniques. It is important to have good advertisement strategy in order to attract more customers. Then we have services. By this we mean customer service, delivery, contact product support. For example, we have live chat, video chat, and calls, and our operators are available 24 hours. We also have Samsung community, for example, in Facebook, where people can share their problems and others can help them, or otherwise our operators will immediately help. And technical support, which is provided by our IT specialists. Our unique selling proposition is that we're offering high quality products at a lower price. Then we have our chatbot upgrade, and here you can see the input process output diagram. In the beginning, we are using the database with products, attributes, and relevant information. Then the first step is to analyze the request from the customer. Then we also implement artificial intelligence to process customers' request. Then we are choosing the right information from the database. And after this, the reply is sent to the customer. So this process is very fast and efficient, because before involving our employees, we are using artificial intelligence to see if it can help, and only then, if there is no way artificial intelligence can solve the problem, we are asking employees to solve it. Next, we have email marketing. So here we're using the database with products, attributes, keywords, and customer information. And the first step is to analyze and segment customers so that we can target each segment separately according to their needs and wants. Then to determine information that should be sent. Then these emails with information are sent to appropriate customers. Our target audience is diverse, I would say, because as I said before, we're targeting different segments aged between 15 and 50 years old. Usually they're from middle to upper class. Education level doesn't really matter in this situation, as we have different products that are aimed for people with different purposes. Usually they follow the latest technology trends and have a heavy consumption of TV and digital media. Also, it is very important that they have healthy lifestyle, as we have products that can help track physical activity and also, for example, smartwatches that are used for doing sport. We decided to focus on four segments, and they are teenagers, adults, business clients, and innovators. Teenagers mostly need multifunctional and portable devices for gaming or for studying, and Samsung phones perfectly suit these needs. Then there are adults who have busy schedule and a lot of calls during the day, business clients who are always traveling and need a phone which will combine a lot of functions. And lastly, there are innovators who are interested in new releases, for example, Galaxy Z Flip, and so they will be like a separate target audience for these new innovative devices. As our virtual community, we decided to use Facebook as it's mostly used by older people, which is the significant part of our target audience, and also it's good for advertising and communicating with our customers. Another virtual community that we will use is Instagram, as it is focused more on younger people, which is also a part of our target audience, and we will use there mostly short stories, which attract a lot of attention and also can be used as a way to communicate with our customers.
Our advertisement is mostly focused on customer service. That is why the headlines will be Contact Samsung Now and customer support, as well as Samsung Chat, as we are targeting customers in the Czech Republic and mobile, TV, home electronics, so that when people search for electronics, our page is one of the top appearing pages. Our keywords are focused on different devices that people search for. We are targeting people in Czech Republic, and the goal of campaign is to drive traffic to our website. Our budget is 728 Czech crowns daily and 22,131 monthly. We created a website where our customers have an opportunity to test the majority of devices. All the existing features are presented on the website, and each visitor is able to use it. For example, the new software with the new features such as wireless DX support, smarter Wi-Fi connectivity, better camera, and Samsung keyboard improvements. By doing this, we will find out which features we used the most and the least in order to know what our customers like, and the link to the website is posted on the official website as well as on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So the list of SEO actions for the website are to make sure everything is on the one sub and root domain, to Google search console to eliminate duplicate search URLs, on-page optimizations, links and amplification, conversion and funnel optimize, crawl the website, find indexing errors and technical problems, remove low quality content, identify speed and mobile page issues, find structured data errors, test meta descriptions, optimize the crawl budget with the site structure, optimize the internal links for rank boosts, analyze the organic traffic, improve the content, learn from the competitors, and track the results. So the idea of the chatbot is to focus in leveraging the customer service department of the company, taking advantage of the social networks profiles of the company and the current technology it possesses in order to deliver a more polished after-sales service. Basically, we would use the chatbot technology to address directly to the customer's problems. In the chatbot, they would enter the problem they have as it is expected, but the new feature would be that they would be redirected to an illustrative video that could help solving the problem they have. For acknowledging the diverse issues customers might have, Samsung will create a database collecting the problems that clients complain about at its Facebook community page. So these videos will be recorded in an educational approach with voices in English and other main languages, Spanish, French, and subtitled in all the languages of the countries where they operate at. The cloud diagram shows the many diverse aspects that go into Microsoft Azure and Samsung. From the client side, the variety of technological equipment consumers use will all function properly with the Samsung website. User interface will be highly considered in the design process. So phones ordering will be available in mobile application form. Tablets, the online website will be formatted to work with tablets. Personal computers and laptops, Samsung site will adapt to all laptop and computer screens. This is the main source of accessing ordering online and must be efficient. So cloud-based services. The server hosts all the main applications of our cloud-based services, including databases and the website. Database, this will be the main database for all Samsung operations. This database will store all our information and customer information. Server providers, current server provider is Microsoft Azure. The website is basically already set up. Security, one of the main thing, and security of sensitive customer information will be very important, and we'll have the maximum security available to avoid any problems and leaks. From the server side, website, the web catalog will be held on the website. It will have an easy UI that is functionable for all types of clients. Image service, this will store all images of the inventory of products to be displayed online. Secure payment, high security possible to protect the client's information using a third-party payment system. Search engine, a search option for the online catalog that will allow customers to quickly find items instead of having to look through all of them. From customer service, emails, follow-up emails to customers to confirm purchases, notify when orders are ready, and to build a loyal relationship with customers. Customers may also send a service email and questions or problems that they may have. Promotions, also creating an email marketing system that will send promotional emails to everyone in our system. And CRM analysts, this will use customer touchpoints and data mining to formulate and revise strategies and tactics that better meet the needs of our customers.